Welcome to Highbiz News, and this is Amalu Katragadda. Cash-strapped Pakistan secures $800 million in debt relief from G20 nations. Cash-strapped Pakistan has secured $800 million worth of debt-freeze deals from 14 members of the G20 while it was still awaiting ratification by the remaining 6 countries of the grouping, including Saudi Arabia and Japan, according to a media report on Sunday. Pakistan owes $25.4 billion to the group of 20 rich nations as of August this year. On April 15, the G20 nations announced a freeze on debt repayments from 76 countries, including Pakistan, during May to December 2020 period, subject to the condition that each country would make a formal request. Pakistan, along with 76 other poor African countries, had qualified for the G20 Debt Relief Initiative announced in April this year for May-December 2020 period to combat the adverse impacts of the COVID-19 pandemic. During the past 7 months, 14 countries ratified their agreements with Pakistan, which has provided fiscal space of $800 million to Islamabad for the time being, the Express Tribune reported, quoting government sources as saying. In addition to these 14 nations, 2 other countries had also approached to extend debt relief to Pakistan. According to official documents, Pakistan has not yet finalized the debt rescheduling modalities with Japan, Russia, Saudi Arabia, United Arab Emirates and the United Kingdom. Although these 6 countries have not yet ratified the debt relief related agreements, these G20 members are expected to conclude the deal before end of next month, said a senior official of the Ministry of Economic Affairs. He said that Pakistan was not making repayments to these 6 countries too, on the understanding that these members would eventually sign off the deals. Pakistan was expecting a total $1.8 billion temporary debt relief from the members of G20 nations for May-December 2020 period. According to the Ministry of Economic Affairs, this included $1.47 billion principal loans repayments and $323 million interest on the loans. The Economic Affairs Ministry's estimates had shown that Pakistan can get $613 million worth of temporary relief from Saudi Arabia, $309 million from China, $23 million from Canada, $183 million from France, $99 million from Germany, $6 million from Italy, $373 million from Japan, $47 million from South Korea, $14 million from Russia, $1 million from the UK and $128 million from the US. So far, Pakistan authorities have entered into 27 debt rescheduling agreements with about 16 countries, the report said. The maximum relief was expected from Saudi Arabia to the tune of $613 million for May-December period, it said. Japan was also expected to provide $373 million relief. However, agreements with these nations were still pending the final lot. Russia is also expected to ratify the revised terms by end of next month, which once ratified could provide temporary relief of $14 million, the report said. Saudi Arabia has also not extended the $3 billion financial assistance package and has already prematurely withdrawn $1 billion that Pakistan paid back by arranging another loan from China. Pakistan may also pay back $1 billion next month to the oil-rich kingdom, a year ahead of Pakistan's expectations. Thanks for watching Highbiz News.